In this video, I will show you how to create Fantasy Premier League account. In order to do that, let's head over to fantasy.premierleague.com and you should be able to see this. Now, in order to register, what you can do is you can just click onto this register to play on here, click onto this sign up now option. Then you should be able to be redirected to this page. Just enter in here your personal details. I'll head over and enter mine. Once you're done with that, click onto this next option. And then from in here, you should be able to see in here this. So just input right here your favorites. So for this one, I'll head over and then choose in here some favorites of mine. And then I'll just choose that and scroll down. And then you can also select other clubs if you want. Now I'll just head over and then choose in here some more. After that, click on next and see here the email preferences so you can receive emails based on that as well as your followed clubs. So you can put in here some general communication or just the fantasy league. And you can also see in here the partner email communications. After that, click on I have agree and click on to this complete registration. Now, as you can see, we're now done registering. So you just need to head over to your email in order to finish the process. Right here, click onto this activate account option and you should be redirected to the users at premierleague.com. And once it's been confirmed, you can click onto this login and then just log into your account as usual right here. Click onto the sign in option in order to successfully sign in, and now we have in here our account.